Check out this plant. At first glance, we notice the thick, evergreen leaves and mottled bark. We might think this plant is an oak, growing on the edge of this canyon. But don't be fooled, this plant is not an oak. What is it? It's Garrya elliptica, known by its common name, silk tassels. The silky inflorescences may superficially resemble those of oaks, but this plant is in a different family, Garryaceae. Let's identify it. First, notice the leaf arrangement of Garrya elliptica. When two leaves are attached to the same node, this arrangement is called opposite. Though species in the genus Garrya look like oaks, remember this. Oak leaves are always alternate, which means the point of attachment of two leaves alternates along the stem. Since alternate leaf arrangement is more commonly seen in plants, noticing when a plant has opposite leaves is usually very helpful for identifying it. While the adaxial or top side of the leaf is shiny and green, the abaxial or underside of the leaf has dense, interwoven hairs. The leaf margin of Garrya elliptica is always wavy. The inflorescence of this plant is a catkin. Within each catkin, tiny pistillate or staminate flowers are clustered and subtended by two bracts that are fused and form a cup or bell shape. The arrangement of flowers is how this plant gets its common name, silk tassels. All species in the family Garryaceae are dioecious. Staminate flowers and pistillate flowers occur on separate plants. Staminate flowers produce abundant pollen. Pistillate flowers, when pollinated, produce fleshy fruits containing usually 2 seeds. Catkin flowers like these are very reduced, with perianth parts that would otherwise help attract animal pollinators being absent or inconspicuous. Instead, the flowers of these catkins are wind-pollinated, so hanging upside down is a great way to catch a breeze and transfer pollen from the male flowers to the female ones. There you have it. With its opposite leaf arrangement, wavy leaf margin, interwoven hairs, and silky male and female catkins that look like tassels, you can be sure to recognize Garrya elliptica. Garrya elliptica flowers in winter and can be commonly found throughout coastal California and Oregon, where the beautiful silver tassels welcome the new year. Follow the Jepson videos to learn more about the plants of California.